Today's kids are totally tech savvy and love their gadgets. Whether they're already setting up tablets for their grandparents or just getting started with a computer, you can sign your whiz kid up for one of Fairfax County Public Library's beginner computer programming classes. Let's check it out.
The Fairfax County Public Library offers a variety of coding classes for children. I'm the branch manager here at the Richard Byrd Library, and for quite a few months now we've offered a program once a month on the third Saturday called Dojo. And it's an opportunity for kids 7 to 17 to learn coding at their own pace with adult mentors, and also using other kids as mentors to learn to use different coding applications like Scratch, for example. And everyone works at their own pace and gets help from other kids and from adults, and they have a lot of fun, as well as, of course, they're learning how to code. There are other branches that now offer Dojo, and there are also branches that offer other coding programs for young people, such as the Girls Who Code, which is at least 2 other branches now, and which puts a particular emphasis on getting girls into technology education, because there is a dearth of women in technology positions in the economy.
The approach that we're using is called Scratch, and Scratch was developed for kids. So it's made in a very non-threatening way. So it's not a bunch of, like when I learned how to code, there were a whole lot of commands and very, very detailed instructions that you had to use. Scratch is a block of code. And so basically it's made for kids to be able to understand the logical sequencing of thoughts. And if nothing else, that's a huge thing to learn. And the kids pick it up very quickly. It's amazing that when they can see their output on the screen by putting 5 blocks together, it's incredible to see the light bulb turn on, and they want to keep exploring. So one of our goals on this was to get the kids early on, right? So we wanted them to understand the opportunity before they get to high school, so they can take classes in high school. What we've seen in the past is that kids got introduced to coding late in high school, and it was really too late to make a career choice. But we've found that actually that young kids do show up. So we have kids anywhere from 6 and 7 years old, probably to about 12 and 13. And actually, I find that parents are just as interested in learning Scratch as their kids. So when I sit there and work with them, the parent starts asking questions. The kids are asking questions, and I see them co-developing certain projects. But as a parent, it's a good way for 2 hours once a month to be with your child in an educational environment with all the work being done for you. So all the curriculum is done. It's just an easy way to get started.
If you wanted to know more, or if you wanted to sign up for a class, and some of the classes for coding do require sign up because they involve laptops, you would go to our website, which is www.fairfaxcounty.gov/library. And if you search our events database, you can actually search by branch, but you can also search by subject, so you can search for technology programs. And of course, you can always call a library and talk to an information staff member about programming, and we have print copies of our calendars at all of the branches as well. And we'll be happy to help you find a class to sign up for.
Now that they've got the programming bug, check out a few of these fun and educational books that will get your child coding in no time. In How to Code, a step-by-step guide to computer coding, Friendly Robots guide readers through basic coding concepts, and so much more. Learn about the boundary-breaking woman who revolutionized computer science in Grace Hopper, Queen of Computer Code. Readers follow the colorful journey of messy robots, friendly foxes, and a small girl with a huge imagination in Hello Ruby, Adventures in Coding. Class is in session at Stately Academy, but this is no ordinary school. Join students as they unravel the mysteries of coding in Secret Coders, Secrets and Sequences. And finally, Kids Get Coding, a world of programming, provides fun, interactive activities to educate children on what digital content is, how it's stored, and so much more.